this?
It's a chicken. It's a chicken breast. You put the olive oil in the pan. You
brown the chicken.
And you brown the chicken, and then you put some butter or something in the pan, and you put the leeks in it. Chop them up. There they are.
Do you see why I love her?
Here, put that
I'm
stuff
putting it in there. Put that stuff in there.
Put those leeks in that pan.
That looks gorgeous. Now, what do I do here? Walk me through this. Do I add the Boursin to this one?
Add the Boursin.
To this one or this one? Doesn't matter.
Isn't there one done? Can't we just skip this? All right, put this in here.
Put the Boursin in here.
Yes.
All right, and the chicken stock.
Put a half a cup of chicken stock in.
Yep, there's one all done down here. Do you want me to put herbs in this one?
If you're putting the wine in, cook it off a little bit before, I got in a little hurry here.
Yeah, put the wine in, and then melt in the Boursin into the stock, right?
Yeah.
And then there's one down here, and we're adding what, tarragon?
And we're adding fresh tarragon. Has just a little tiny bit of licorice flavor.
I love it, don't you?
It is so bright.
Sexy.
It's so good.
Beautiful.
So good.
Look at that. That
Where's
is
our
gorgeous.
platter?
Here, that's too big. Put it on this one. Put it on
This
this
is
one.
the one they gave me.
I know, but it's too big. We'll put it on this
Grant
one.
is not going to be happy with me.
No, it looks beautiful. Look. Grant will love that. Don't you worry a bit.
And then you just
Put that right on it. Gorgeous. Don't you love that when they say, pour this over, and then pour that right down over?
Yes.
Oh, my God, is that gorgeous.
and happy Valentine's